Hey everyone, so I'm currently outside my room in the village here at CBU. This is one of the newer freshman living areas. They just turned it into a freshman living area last year. It's newly renovated, super nice. This is my room right here, Village 201. I'm gonna show you around. Also, CBU has the 12th best dorms in all of America for college campuses, so just thought I'll let you guys know that. All right. It's kind of messy, but that's just how it is, so. All right, so I'm inside right now. This is my roommate, Daniel. Daniel, you wanna say hi?
Hello.
So in our room, we're always playing music. We got a piano here. We got like people who play guitars over here. But this is basically like the front kind of living room area. As you can see behind me, we got the living room. Next to it, we got the kitchen. It comes with like a full fridge. We brought our own like microwave. We got drawings all over our fridge, as you can see.
That fruited my canvas.
Yeah, so there's, so we got a lot of dishes in the sink right now, but there's cabinet space right there. That's the kitchen. There's a bedroom to this side of me. There's 6 people who live here, 3 people live in there. And this is the second half of the house where my room is. We got a dining room. We got another living room. We kind of rearranged our furniture all into this room with our TV. You can rearrange the furniture like however you want, but and Gabe, say what's up, Gabe.
What's up?
You want to tell us a little about like your major and what you do here?
So I'm a sports analytics major. So I just handle like the business aspect of sports. You see me like pulling trades, hopefully for a sport organization.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's the gist of it.
Cool. What do you think about CBU and living here?
It's pretty cool. I live in Ontario, which is like 30 minutes from here, so it's like close to home, but I'm not really I'm like far away at the same time.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. All right, so that's Gabe. Yeah, so this is like my bedroom, and each bedroom is the same. There's 2 bedrooms. You can rearrange the furniture if you want. Like you can put all the beds on the ground, or you can do a bunk in like one single bed. This is my bed over here. It comes with like a walk-in closet over here, so this is where all our stuff is. Super messy, but yeah, so you got a lot of space, and there's tons of like space down here for like drawers and whatever, and I put my shoes up there like that, and then these drawers are huge. They're super deep, so you can fit like a lot of your clothes and whatever. And then in the bathroom, each room has its own bathroom. You got like a full size shower right there. There's me right there in the mirror. A lot of cabinet space, stuff like that, like super spacious. And it's nice that each room has its own bathroom, so you don't have to worry about like waiting or sharing. Like it's really easy. But yeah, so there's just one thing about the housing that's not so great as a freshman is the visiting hours. It's like from 7 to 10, 3 days a week that you're allowed to have someone of like the different gender in your room. So that kind of sucks, but your sophomore, junior, and senior year, that changes. Visiting hours are from 12 to 12 every day. So just gotta make it through freshman year. It's no big deal. And like it's so nice outside all the time that like we just chill outside with our friends, and like there's little tables and stuff. But yeah, so these are the dorms here at CBU. And they're pretty great, seriously. Number 12 in all of the United States. So yeah. So right now I'm outside the cottages. This is another freshman living area here on campus. It's kind of like a little house. There's like 9 people that live here. These are my friends Michael and Nathan. What's up, guys? Mind telling us about the cottages, what it's like living here, what you guys do for fun?
The cottages are actually super nice because, like you said, they're like little houses. So if you don't want to live with a ton of people, but you like a good amount, like it's a good option. And like it's kind of spaced out. Like villages all right next to each other, but like these guys have like spaces in between each cottage.
Yeah.
Yeah, for fun. I don't know. I like to skate around campus. Campus is a cool skate spot, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so. Sick.
I really like that there's a lot of good workplaces for people, and for creators like us, we always have a place to go and work and make sure to like let ourselves push each other creatively.
Yeah, it's a very pretty campus, so there's always somewhere to film if you really need it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that.
No, we're good. We're good. Yeah. All right. So inside the room, we got like a kitchen, a little bit bigger kitchen than the rest of the rooms. A table right here, some chairs, whatever, a couch over on this side behind me. check it out. And then down this hallway, we got like bedrooms on each side. Going all the way down, we got a bathroom right here. I'll show you inside. It's pretty spacious. Yeah, so I think how many bathrooms is there, Nathan? Like,
this cottage has 3 bathrooms. So there's 3 people to this bathroom and 2 people to both of the bathrooms in the back.
okay, sweet. So yeah, 3 bathrooms. Basically 1 bathroom for every like 3 people, just like in the other living areas. But yeah, so just one long hallway with like a closet right here, another bedroom right here, another closet. And down here is Nathan's room.
It's a little messy right now. Apologies.
Yeah, college is kind of a messy place, like, but I don't know what happened to this bed. You guys reorganized? What is this?
Yeah, he just likes sleeping on the floor, so.
Yeah, so if you want to sleep on the floor, you can do that here. That's what CBU is all about.
Word up.
And then we got
What's up, dude?
closet space right here. So yeah, that's just a little bit about the cottages. All right, say bye, guys. Peace out.
Bye. Nice to meet you.